Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Dreams by Van Halen on piano. Start with the main riff, focusing on the right hand's melody. Your left hand will provide a steady, driving bass line. We'll break down the rhythm and fingerings to ensure a smooth execution. Practice slowly, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, gradually increasing your tempo. This foundational riff sets the energetic tone for the entire song, so mastering it is key to capturing the essence of Van Halen's Dreams. Next, we'll move into the verse sections, exploring their distinct chord progressions. Pay close attention to the left hand's syncopated rhythm, which adds a dynamic feel. Your right hand will carry the vocal melody, requiring precise timing and articulation. We'll work through each chord change, ensuring a seamless transition between phrases. Aim for a consistent, flowing rhythm to maintain the song's driving energy throughout the verses. Now let's tackle the powerful chorus. Here, we'll use fuller chord voicings to create a grander, more anthemic sound. Focus on the dynamic shift, making the chorus feel much bigger than the verses. Your right hand will play the soaring, memorable melody, requiring confident and expressive playing. We'll ensure your timing is precise, delivering the emotional impact this section demands. This is where the song truly opens up. Finally, we'll explore the bridge, which introduces some interesting harmonic variations. Pay attention to the slightly different rhythmic feel here before transitioning into the out row. The out row often features sustained chords and a gradual fade, or a strong final hit. We'll practice these concluding sections to ensure a powerful and satisfying finish. Mastering these elements will allow you to play Dreams with confidence and flair, from beginning to end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.